Which is better between higher NAV and lower NAV? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will elaborate on this now.
There are many fund houses which have been now in operation for almost about 30 years, and their NAVs are crossing about, say, 1000, 1500 kind of products. And there are products which are also coming at 10 rupees also. So it's a very pertinent question that a 100 rupee, 1000 rupee product is better or a 10 rupee product is better. So it's like saying that if both the products are of a similar kind of a portfolio, and both the products generate a 10% kind of a return. So 10 rupee NAV would become 11 rupee at the end of 1 year, and a 1000 rupee NAV would become 1100 rupees at the end of year. So whether the NAV is low or high, it does not matter. What matters is your holding time period. If both the products are same, they would give you exactly the same kind of a return in the absolute numbers. So for example, 10% for a 10 rupee product will give you 1 rupee extra. For a 1000 rupee product, it will give you 100 rupee extra, but it is only 10%. So it does not matter whether an NAV is high or low. But when the NAV is higher, or probably 1000 rupees, it has a long sustainable track record to look for it. But if this product is new, which is launching at 10 rupees, so you don't have a background to that product, but you can probably analyze based with your discussion with the advisor, the fund manager history, the company which is offering this mutual fund, and based on that, probably you can take a decision. So higher NAV or lower NAV, it does not matter. What matters is your period of investment.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.